YouTube friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Deidre from our Upcycled Life, and I do lots of thrifting, upcycling, repurposing, and DIY content, and I love new crafting friends. So make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss any great DIY content. Today I'm going to show you the most fabulous way to clean your Cricut mats. I've tried lots of other techniques. I'm actually quite new to the whole Cricut game. I haven't been doing it very long, so I'm just learning, but I was trying to clean my mats and I had used some Dawn dish soap. That worked okay. And then I tried the baby wipes. Wasn't really successful with that one. I was scrolling on TikTok the other night and I came across this cleaning technique. I tried it and it blew me away. Worked fantastic. This is just a quick short tutorial, but I am going to show you what it is and how well it worked. Okay, let's get started. I'm quite new to the world of Cricut. I'm still learning, but the one thing I was struggling with was cleaning my mats. This one is really dirty, has lots of little bits of vinyl on it and paper. And when I was on TikTok the other night, I came across a girl that did this cleaning technique. And because I'd been struggling with the other methods, I thought, what have I got to lose? I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to show you how to do it. She used some Windex. This is just Windex or window cleaner. I buy it in the big plastic bottles and then refill this. And you're going to need a magic eraser. This one's well loved because I use them all the time. You're going to need a scraper and you're going to need your heat gun. The first thing you want to do is just take your scraper and clean off all those big hunks. Just get all those little bits of vinyl and everything off that are really big chunks. Okay, I've got all the big pieces taken off, and as you can see, there's a little bit of sticky, but not very much. These are just cutting boards that I bought off of Amazon. They're not top quality, but they still have worked pretty good. So the next thing that you want to do is just soak your mat with the Windex. I've completely soaked the mat, and now I'm going to let it sit for 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, it's been 2 minutes, and then you're just going to take your magic eraser and you're just going to start rubbing your mat, and you will see right away that all those little bits and pieces and all those little black yucky things are coming right off. Takes a few minutes to clean it all, but just scrub your whole cutting mat. Okay, I've got it all cleaned. Last step, and you can see it's not sticky yet, but the last step is get your heat gun out, put it on the low setting, and then just dry your mat. If you don't have a heat gun, you can also use your hair dryer. Just use it on like a medium setting and it'll work perfect. And this is just about dry. It looks a lot better. Nice and dry. And then YouTube friends, check this out. All that stickiness is completely back. Nice clean mat with Windex, a magic eraser, and a heat gun. So if you haven't tried this technique, give it a try. Clean up all of your Cricut mats and save some money before you go and buy new ones. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and have a great day.